Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to deliver multiple choice questions on computer organization. So let's start with question number 1. OS allows user for option A. Creating of files, B. Creation of directories, C. Reading and writing the data in files, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 2. Satisfaction of the relocation requirement increases the difficulty or satisfying the dash requirement. Your options are A. Protection, B. Sharing, C. Logical organization, D. Physical organization. And the correct answer is A. Protection. Question number 3. The memory management system must therefore allow control access to dash areas of memory without compromising essential protection. Your options are A. Relocated, B. Protected, C. Shared, D. Organized. And the correct answer is C. Shared. Question number 4. Dash is based on the use of one or both of two basic techniques, segmentation and paging. Your options are A. Memory partitioning, B. Virtual memory, C. Real memory, D. Memory organization. And the correct answer is B. Virtual memory. Question number 5. In dash, there is no internal fragmentation and is more efficient use of main memory. Your options are A. Fixed partitioning, B. Dynamic partitioning, C. Virtual memory paging, D. Simple segmentation. And the correct answer is B. Dynamic partitioning. Question number 6. In dash, there is a inefficient use of memory due to internal fragmentation. Your options are A. Fixed partitioning, B. Simple paging, C. Virtual memory paging, D. Simple segmentation. And the correct answer is A. Fixed partitioning. Question number 7. Which module gives control of the CPU to the process selected by the short-term scheduler? Your options are A. Dispatcher, B. Interrupt, C. Scheduler, D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Dispatcher. Question number 8. The interval from the time of the submission of a process to the time of the completion is termed as A. Waiting time, B. Turnaround time, C. Response time, D. Throughput. And the correct answer is B. Turnaround time. Question number 9. Input or output hardware contains option A. Bus, B. Controller, C. Input or output ports and its registers, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 10. Device drives are implemented to interface option A. Character devices, B. Block devices, C. Network devices, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 11. The data in register of input or output port is A. Read by host to get input, B. Read by controller to get input, C. Written by host to send output, D. Written by host to start command. And the correct answer is A. Read by host to get input. Question number 12. Which buffer holds the output for a device? Option A, spool. B, output. C, status. D, magic. And the correct answer is A, spool. Question number 13. File type can be represented by A, file name. B, file extension. C, file identifier. D, none of the above. And the correct answer is B, file extension. Question number 14. Mapping a file is managed by option A, file metadata. B, page table. C, virtual memory. D, file system. And the answer is A, file metadata. Question number 15. Mapping of network file system protocol to local file system is done by A, network file system. B, local file system. C, volume manager. D, remote mirror. And the answer is A, network file system. Question number 16. Which of the following function is provided by an OS? Option A, process management. B, security management. C, file management. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 17. Which of the following provides interaction between user and computer? Option A, CPU. B, computer. C, OS. D, none of the above. And the correct answer is C, OS. Question number 18. Which is not the function of the OS? Option A, file management. B, CPU management. C, data management. D, kernel. And the correct answer is C, data management. Question number 19. Memory management refers to management of A, primary memory. B, secondary memory. C, primary and secondary memory. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is A, primary memory. Question number 20. Which of the following activities are done by OS for file management? Option A, decision of who gets the resources. B, allocates the resources. C, deallocates the resources. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above.